So we've gotten a couple questions on how to clean your nylon gear, whether that be from Sims or dirt, blood, grime, whatever it is. We're gonna quick go over the options you have when it comes to cleaning your nylon gear. So if you have something like a plate carrier that has a lot of sim rounds on it or anything like that, you can try and spot clean if it's just in a few areas. One thing you're really gonna wanna take note when it comes across to any of these things, any place that has soft Velcro on it, you're gonna wanna use a soft bristle brush, warm to hot water and a mild soap. You can use like a Tide pen or something like that if you don't really need to take everything apart. But what you're gonna wanna do with all of this, especially if it's stinky, smelly, for whatever it is, you're gonna need to take everything off, put this in some warm water, let it soak, put some detergent in there, or like I said, a mild soap, with a soft brush, start attacking the problem areas that you have. Because of the nylon gear, it is a soft good item, you don't wanna use a wire brush or a stiff brush, like a car tire brush or something like that, because all you're gonna end up doing is tearing up the soft Velcro, tearing up the threads, and you're just gonna degrade your equipment faster. So take everything off, soak it, go from there. Now, if you have something like a helmet cover, and you have just a couple spots, you can probably spot clean some of this, but same thing, if it's really dirty, really grungy, just take the whole helmet cover off, soak it, and go from there. Now, your belt options, same thing. Because a lot of the belt items are attached, if it's just the attached item, like before, take it off, soak it, soft brush, warm water, you can get at it that way. Now, you're not gonna want to just take this entire thing and dunk it in there as is, because you need to let this stuff air dry out. I wouldn't suggest putting any of this in a dryer. The way that we suggest is just letting it air dry over out a couple days, especially with the plate carriers and all that, where there's a lot of places, a lot of padding where that water can get. Just let it air dry, rotate the item as needed. If you're gonna put it in the dryer, which is not something we really recommend, but if you're gonna do that, low heat to no heat on whatever the easiest gentle cycle is that your dryer has. If you have any tips or comments of how you've kept your gear clean over the years, drop them in the comments below, or if you have any questions, if not, head over to bluealphabelts.com now and check out some stuff. Products, things, whatever you want.